The Igbo had no king, not because they lacked leadership, but because they designed power differently. No throne, no crown, only councils. Every village chose representatives. Decisions were made through agreements, not force. It wasn't chaos, it was democracy. Before the world called it democracy. The traditional Igbo society functioned without a king. Instead, leadership came from the councils of elders and titled men. Each village sent representatives, and decisions were made through consensus. This system emphasized equality, responsibility, and collective authority. People say Igbo have no king, like it was a weakness. It wasn't. It was strategy. No single ruler to corrupt, no throne to overthrow. Leadership was earned, not inherited. Maybe the world is just now catching up to what the Igbos figured out centuries ago. No king, correct. But leaderless, never. The Igbo ran a full democracy before it had a name. Elders, councils, and collective decisions. Maybe it's time to bring that system back. Or what do you think?